Hello friends, in this video I'm going to unbox and review ULANZI VL49 RGB mini LED video light, which is very popular. So it comes in a packaging like this. So you can see around 2500K to 9000K it is a range, and 3.7 volt 2000 mAh battery is used, and there is an RGB, and it's magnetic also, and almost 13 kind of light effects you can bring with this thing. I will tag the product so that you can check it out. So this is how it looks like. So there is a on and off button. So the moment I on, you can see the light coming out, and there are different modes are there. If I continuously press that, so now there is another thing, but adjusting the temperature like plus and minus is there. So you can change the color combination into very different options. So that is one good thing about this stuff. And another important stuff, there are other modes like this is like blinking police mode is there, and there is a warm light. Then I go for maximum, the power reduces and increases. So all things you can adjust, and here you can see the display is there. So how much percentage, how much scale is there, and for charging there is a port is given, so you can easily charge it. So here some of the information is here. Another important stuff, you can connect this to another like tripods and everything. You can just like plug into this, so it is very easy to do that stuff also. So magnetic function is also there, I think, as per mentioned. So this is all about the product. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.